Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into how to customize your Shopify store using Canva. Are you ready to transform your store look? By the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to design your store like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's open a Shopify store and see what it currently looks like. Nothing much here. Time to design it up with Canva. Head back to the home page and click on Online Store. This is where we will start customizing our store. Let's begin by changing the header. Let's add our brand's color scheme. Black background and white text. Next, let's add our logo and resize it to fit perfectly. Now let's design the background banner. Open your Canva and navigate to the element section and choose image grid. Pick 3 grids and add circle frames. Remove the spacing. Then search for a photo related to your product keyword. Let's say we are looking for a black dress. Drag and drop the selected photo into your frame. If you are not happy with the background, no worries. Just edit it out using the background remover tool. To add some extra flair, let's include a background video. Search for a video in Canva Elements section. resize it, decrease the opacity. Animating the circle frame will give our banner some movements. Click on the image, navigate to the animation section, and choose your preferred animation style. Once you are satisfied, download it as MP4 or GIF file. Back to our Shopify page, insert the banner and adjust the height accordingly. Now, let's add a slideshow section. Designing two slides in Canva using image holder grids. Insert a related photo and download them as PNG file. Insert them into the Shopify slideshow section. Time to change up our font style. Click on the setting, choose the typography, and select your preferred font type. Next, let's add a feature collection. Click on Add section, choose Featured Collection, and link to your collection page. Onto the About Us section, click on Add section, choose Image with Text, and design it in Canva. Insert the image and edit the text accordingly. Lastly, let's insert some sample customer reviews. Click on Add section, choose multi-column, and design in Canva. Insert the image and type the customer name and reviews. Once everything is done, save your changes and preview your final look. As you can see, your header is inserted successfully, and the logo also, the banner, the featured collections, the About Us section, and the review sections are all looked fantastic. You can customize your store like this using Canva. Thanks for following along until the end.